Unlock the secret to crystal clear vision. Discover the top vegetables that protect your eyes and enhance your vision naturally. Hello and welcome back to Road to Health. Today, we're diving into the world of vegetables, exploring not just their nutritional value, but specifically how they can benefit our eyesight. You've probably heard the old adage about carrots being good for your eyes, but there's a whole array of veggies out there packed with nutrients that can protect and even improve your vision. Let's explore the top vegetables that not only nourish your body but also safeguard those precious windows to the world. So without any further delay, let's get started. Number 1. Spinach. Step into the world of vibrant greens with spinach, a true elixir for your eyes. This leafy powerhouse, with a mere 7 calories per cup, overflows with benefits, delivering 56% of your daily vitamin A needs and your complete vitamin K requirement. Spinach stands as a nutritional giant, but what sets it apart are the antioxidants lutein and zeaxanthin, crucial for preventing macular degeneration, the leading cause of vision loss. Protect your eyes now and in the future by incorporating spinach into your diet. It's not just a vegetable. It's nature's gift for maintaining your vision's clarity and vitality. Number 2. Carrots. Embark on a journey with carrots, nature's vibrant gems illuminating the path to optimal eye health. Bursting with beta-carotene, these crunchy delights deliver a staggering 428% of your daily vitamin A needs in just 1 cup. But their magic goes beyond color. Carrots boast antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene, safeguarding your eyes from age-related degeneration. With each crunchy bite, you're fortifying your vision against the ravages of time. Let these orange wonders be your allies in the quest for clear, sharp eyesight. Incorporate carrots into your daily routine and watch as your eyes sparkle with vitality and resilience, one bite at a time. Number 3. Broccoli. Enter the realm of broccoli, the stalwart guardian of your eye health. Rich in sulforaphane, it wages war against cancer while defending against oxidative stress. But its true power lies in its abundance of lutein and zeaxanthin, essential nutrients that shield your eyes from retinal oxidation and age-related degeneration. With each floret, you're fortifying your vision against the passage of time. Make broccoli a cornerstone of your diet, and let its protective embrace shield your eyes from harm. From its sturdy stalks to its verdant crowns, broccoli stands tall as a guardian of clarity, ensuring your vision remains sharp and steadfast for years to come. Number 4. Garlic. Unveil the hidden depths of garlic, a culinary marvel with benefits beyond taste. This ancient remedy not only flavors dishes, but also wields formidable health properties. Studies reveal its prowess in reducing blood triglyceride levels and intraocular pressure, safeguarding eye health. With antimicrobial properties cited in research, garlic emerges as a potent ally against ocular threats. From ancient traditions to modern science, garlic's legacy endures. Incorporate it into your diet to unlock its myriad benefits, lowering blood sugar, combating cancer, and fortifying your eyesight. Let garlic be your shield, protecting your eyes from the unseen and infusing your meals with both flavor and vitality. Number 5. Brussels sprouts. Explore the miniature marvels of Brussels sprouts, bursting with nutritional potency. As part of the cruciferous family, they harbor health-promoting plant chemicals, including kaempferol, a potent antioxidant. These miniature powerhouses aid in disease prevention and cellular protection. Laden with lutein and zeaxanthin, they stand guard against macular degeneration and dry eyes, fortifying your ocular defenses. Despite their diminutive size, Brussels sprouts pack a punch, delivering a bounty of essential nutrients in every bite. Incorporate these tiny titans into your diet and witness their transformative impact on your vision and overall well-being. Embrace the miniature but mighty Brussels sprout, nature's gift for nourishing your eyes from within. Number 6. Kale. Bow to the reigning monarch of leafy greens. Kale, the undisputed sovereign of nutritional excellence. Laden with B vitamins, potassium, calcium, and copper, kale reigns supreme in the realm of nutrient density. But its regal status extends beyond vitamins and minerals. Kale boasts lutein and zeaxanthin, guardians against UV damage and age-related vision decline. With each leaf, kale fortifies your ocular citadel, defending against the ravages of time and environmental stressors. Elevate your diet with kale's verdant splendor and witness its transformative power on your vision and overall health. Long live kale, the unchallenged king of leafy greens, nourishing body and sight alike with its majestic presence. Number 7. Green peas. Discover the hidden gems of green peas, miniature marvels brimming with eye-nourishing goodness. Rich in fiber and saponins, they support digestive health while offering a shield against cancer. But their true magic lies in their content of lutein and zeaxanthin, potent antioxidants that safeguard against chronic eye diseases and screen-induced blue light damage. Despite their small stature, green peas pack a powerful punch, delivering a bounty of essential nutrients to fortify your vision and overall well-being. Incorporate these tiny treasures into your meals and witness the profound impact they have on the vitality and clarity of your eyes, one pea at a time. Number 8. Swiss chard. Enter the world of Swiss chard, a visionary vegetable bridging the realms of versatility and vitality. Nestled between spinach and kale, Swiss chard boasts an abundance of vitamins and minerals, all while maintaining a low calorie count. Whether in the rainbow or white variety, Swiss chard dazzles with its antioxidant-rich profile, including lutein and zeaxanthin. These visionary nutrients protect against age-related eye issues, ensuring your vision remains clear and vibrant. With Swiss chard as your culinary companion, explore new realms of flavor and nourishment while fortifying your eyesight against the passage of time. Embrace the versatility of Swiss chard and behold its transformative power on your vision and overall health. Number 9. Red peppers. Behold the vibrant guardians of your eyes, red peppers, bursting with vivid hues and potent protective powers. Within their fiery shells lies a bounty of vitamin B, beta-carotene, and double your daily vitamin C requirement. These colorful warriors fortify your eyes' blood vessels, warding off the threat of cataracts. With each crunchy bite, red peppers unleash a torrent of antioxidants, shielding your vision from the ravages of time and environmental stressors. Incorporate these fiery gems into your diet and witness the kaleidoscope of benefits they bestow upon your eyes, illuminating your path to clarity and vitality in a world ablaze with color and possibility. Number 10. Asparagus. Welcome the springtime superfood, asparagus, a verdant spear wielding unparalleled benefits for your eyes. Laden with vitamins A, C, and E, it stands as a nutritional powerhouse, enriching your diet and fortifying your vision. But its true magic lies in its bounty of lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that shield against cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. With each tender stalk, asparagus delivers a burst of nourishment, ensuring your eyes gleam with vitality and clarity. Embrace this seasonal delicacy as nature's gift to your ocular health, and let its vibrant green hues herald a season of renewal for your vision and overall well-being. Number 11. Red cabbage. Enter the realm of red cabbage, a regal guardian cloaked in royal hues, safeguarding your health with each purple leaf. Rich in fiber, vitamin C, and anthocyanins, it wages war against inflammation and chronic disease. But its most noble feat lies in its abundance of vitamin A, defending your eyes from macular degeneration and cataracts. With each crunchy bite, red cabbage stands as a staunch defender of your well-being, its vibrant color signaling a powerful shield against the encroaching shadows of poor health. Number 12. Collard greens. Last but not least, step into the world of visionary vitality with collard greens, nature's kaleidoscope of eye-nourishing nutrients. Packed with calcium, antioxidants, and a plethora of vitamins, collard greens stand as a beacon of ocular health. Research links their consumption to a significant reduction in glaucoma risk, offering a clear path to sustained vision. Embrace collard greens as your visionary ally, guiding you toward a future of clarity and vibrancy in every leafy bite. And there you have it, our guide to the top vegetables for protecting and improving your eyesight. From spinach to collard greens, each of these veggies offers a unique array of nutrients essential for maintaining healthy eyes. So why wait? Start incorporating these eye-friendly foods into your diet today and see the difference they can make in your vision and overall well-being. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.